Welcome to Gray Overload. I'm Anthony, and I will be unboxing the Logitech Ergo K860. Working from home has made me need to upgrade my working environment to make sure that I have proper ergonomics and just to reduce strain, especially typing and using a mouse all day as a software developer. So at work I have hopefully the mouse video will come out first and then you'll see the keyboard video, but I have a Microsoft keyboard that is actually just like this, and this is on my main desktop. So this is my current keyboard. So I decided to purchase the Logitech one to see how it is. The one thing I didn't like was that the number pad on it is not removable, and so I would have liked to have seen a removable number pad, but I did want to try it out because I did buy their mouse, their Ergo mouse, and this had pretty good reviews. So I was like, okay, this is something that I do want to try to see. Maybe I like it more than Microsoft one, and maybe one day, if I do, Logitech will come out with a mechanical one with some cherry switches in it that I can finally use to game on. But I've been using ergonomic keyboards for years, and I'm just more used to them even with a normal keyboard, and they're just more comfortable to me overall. So overall in the box here you got a little bit, the thin sides don't really have any information on them. They say Windows and Mac, but on the back here is a whole bunch of information, and they do say on the front here United States certified ergonomic. So I don't know what that is. I haven't looked into that yet. I just got this. I ordered it and just got it today. So I also got the mouse today. That's why you're seeing me in the same shirt from the mouse video to this video. But they say it's supposed to type naturally with a curve split keyframe that improves typing posture. 54% more wrist support. Supposed to have fluid laptop-like typing, adjusted palm fit, science-driven ergonomics. They say it's a wireless encryption on it, full keyboard size keyboard with numpad, easy to set up, requires an available USB port. This also can do Bluetooth. So I am probably going to try Bluetooth. I don't have many USB ports on this laptop, especially with the dock. Well, I do have some on the laptop. I just don't want to plug and plug all the time. And the dock only has 2 USB ports. Explain that one. Come on, Dell. But easy switch as well, so you can set it up to 3 different devices. Compatible with Logic Flow with Logitech mice. So this might be something that you could actually set up if let's say you have a work computer and your home computer. You could transfer between the two. I think that's actually a really good option here, especially for the work from home scenario where people probably do have a work laptop and a desktop and probably want to use both. And maybe not have to have a different set of keyboards and mice for each one. Now I do have different ones for each one. I am getting another monitor. It's on order later this year. That the Eve Spectrum, so I'll have separate monitors as well. But I will try out the Flow. So when you open it up, this is what you see. So it has, here's how it works. So it has even the Ergo setup. Easy switch is on F, function O for 3 seconds on Mac, or function P on Windows. Will allow you to switch between them. Okay, maybe that's what it is. But they do have the USB dongle here at the bottom. So there's that little guy in the corner here. I don't want to. Wow, this is like tissue paper on the keyboard. I'm gonna set this down because I don't want it to fall out. I just got the thing. I don't want to break it. So it is wrapped in like tissue paper. This is okay. I'm impressed. Logitech, good job. And you can kind of hear it here. Really nice tissue paper. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So it's just to compare it to the Microsoft one. Here, let me throw this down. The Microsoft one is, so there's the size difference in height. We put them over the top. They're about the same height overall. Just it's longer because of the numpad, which is fine. I can work with it. It's that thin, and it allows you to, instead of having tabs on the top to lift up the keyboard, what it has is these on the bottom to set it up so, like, if you're standing, you're at the proper angle down rather than being at a flat or raised position. So you're not leaving your hands up like that. You're actually having the same contour that they're already going, which is a great thought there by Logitech. Now this shows, oh, this has a place for the USB. Good job, Logitech. Good job. So that's in there, but it has, I just put that in there. I'm just going to fall out now, of course. But here's the batteries as well. So this is not rechargeable. Well, it could be if you put rechargeable batteries in. And then it's just a little plate that goes on there. About the same travel as the Microsoft one. I don't know if you can hear the keys, but can't type with the other keyboard right now. It's plugged into the computer, and I will screw something up. But it's interesting. Oh, so you do have your 3 computers right up there, so you can switch in between the 3 computers. So this is what the keyboard looks like. Hopefully you guys can see that. Overall, it seems like a really nice accessory, I should say, not a machine. What else is in the box is, okay, yeah, so far I like the format of how this feels in the hands. I will definitely be going through and using this for about a month before I do a review of it, but I will definitely be doing a review. This is what's left in the box. There's the piece of plastic which is tied into the thing, and instructions, and nothing else. I guess this does come out. Yeah, nothing else. So Logitech did, I think, a good job of boxing that. Overall, I can't wait to actually try this out more and type with it. Oh, yeah, that is actually a really nice cushion. Wow. The Microsoft one is really stiff, and this one seems to have some cushion to it. I don't know. In a month, I probably won't know exactly how it holds up, but this would be something that might be able to hold up pretty well, and hopefully it stays comfortable. Because the one thing you don't want when you buy a keyboard is to replace it every year. You want to, unless you have a reason to. Let's say they come up with this awesome keyboard and you really want it. Well, then that's the time to upgrade, but not just because it broke. That's a keyboard. So, but yeah, there's the Logitech Ergo K860. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for taking the time to support this channel and helping this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I really hope that I can help answer them or help point you in the right direction. If you're looking at something like this, or even compare it to the Microsoft One in the review, I will do that as well. So with that, thank you guys for watching, and God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.